So I can't just believe that the new year is just around the corner, and it's your time to make this year as amazing as ever. In today's productive video, let's prepare for 2024 together to make it out our best year yet. Instead of being jealous of others people, you are going to be the person that you are jealous of. You're going to be so improved that you're going to look back and say, damn, it actually worked. Be positive, not passive. Instead of giving yourself reasons why you can't or shouldn't, give yourself reasons why you can and permission to go for it. Happiness doesn't come from circumstances, but always from within. Start each day with positive affirmations to set the tone for success. Don't let negative thinking occupy your brain. This year, practice mindfulness and meditation techniques to reduce stress and enhance mental health. Write down your thoughts and feelings in your journal at the end of the day, as journal helps you understand your emotional reactions more clearly and puts you in control of your emotions instead of the other way around. And the next thing is be able to take responsibility for all that you do, whether good or bad. If you make a mistake or harm someone along your path, taking responsibility lets you contain the damage and preserve your reputation. If you embrace the challenges, learn from failure, believe in the power of effort, cultivate a positive attitude, surround yourself with positivity, practice self-reflection, and celebrate progress, you can develop a winning mindset that leads to success. This year, having a great healthy body is important. If you're eating the right food and keeping fit, your body will be strong and help you to cope with stress and also fight illness. Consuming a healthy, balanced diet is a goal for many people. While this is an excellent goal for health reasons, the terms healthy and balanced will vary for each individual. A healthy, balanced diet generally means one that is rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins. Next is to establish a fitness routine. Tailor a workout plan that suits your preferences and goals. Some physical activity is better than none, and more is better than a little. But you don't have to exercise to the point of being in pain to get a health benefit. Or you can do something that you enjoy or go for something different you've always wanted to try, such as walking, jogging, joining a team sport, taking a group fitness class, dancing, and swimming. So overall, eating healthy, balanced diet with lots of vegetables and fruit. Keeping your immunizations up to date, not using tobacco, vape products, alcohol, or drugs. Exercising as often as you can. Staying aware of your emotions and moods. Getting enough sleep. Wearing proper protection at home, work, or play. Seeing your healthcare provider if you think something may be wrong can improve your physical health for a long period of time. Taking care of your skin is like giving it a little present every day. It's not hard, and it doesn't need to be fancy. Just like you, your skin is unique, and by doing simple things to keep it happy, you're celebrating yourself and feeling good in your own skin. Caring for your skin without relying on commercial skincare products is entirely possible and can be achieved through simple, natural practices. Here's a guide on how to do proper skincare with minimal products. First of all, let's discover your skin type. Gently wash your face and let it dry for 1 hour. After drying it completely, now observe your skin tone. If you have shiny and greasy texture on your skin, you have oily skin. If you have oily on T-zone and dry on other parts of a skin, it's combination. And if you feel dry and tightness around your skin, it's dry skin. And if there is redness or blemishes on the skin tone, it's sensitive skin. Drink 5-liter water throughout the day to keep your skin well hydrated from the inside out. Instead of using harsh cleansers, consider rinsing your face with lukewarm water. Water alone can help remove dirt and excess oils. Next is to applying natural oils like olive oil, coconut oil, or jojoba oil to moisturize your skin. These oils can provide hydration without clogging pores. If you're going to be on outside most of the time, wearing sunscreen is one of the best and easiest way to protect your skin's appearance and health at any age. Sunscreen helps prevent sunburn, skin cancer, and premature aging. Keep in mind that no sunscreen is perfect. Wear wide hats, sunglasses, scarves, and seek for shadow. Next is exfoliating. Exfoliation is the act of removing dead skin cells from the outer layer of your skin, often with the help of a grainy substance, exfoliating tool, or chemicals. Create a gentle exfoliating scrub using natural ingredients like sugar, salt, or oatmeal mixed with a bit of honey. Facial massage represents rejuvenating treatment that can help you achieve a more youthful, glowing complexion. Give yourself a gentle facial massage to stimulate blood flow and promote a healthy glow. Use clean hands and small, circular motions. You can use any massaging tools like gua sha, face rollers, etc. I'm going to tell you something that you probably don't want to hear, but becoming more physically attractive will only attract superficial and shallow people to you, and looks fade away with time. Whereas if you focus on improving your mind and thought processes, that is something special that it'll set you up for victory and success for the rest of your life. Trust me, refocusing and prioritizing the right things will be so much more beneficial to you. Anyway, give it a go. You have nothing to lose. The worst that can happen is that you end up a more educated and self-aware person. Next is to know your whys. This is the most important step. You have to have a strong reason behind your glow up. Why do you want to become a better student? Once you know your reasons and will help you to know the actions you need to take to help you achieve your goals. Then another step is to have a study schedule. It's probably one of the best things you can do for yourself as a student. Having a study schedule was one of the best decisions you'll ever made, and it's so easy to create one and maintain. After this, limit your time on social media. Think about it. Would you ever go like, hey, do you remember the previous content after you scroll when you're watching reels or shorts? Probably no, right? The social media or short videos only train your brain up to forget the things. If you ever feel trapped in this cycle and wish to get out, make it difficult to access social media. If you find it hard to control your cravings, make it difficult to enjoy them. Try to reduce 10 minutes every day from your social media. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you've